Hello,
Hello, good
good.
morning. Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also pretty well. I
Right.
think we are meeting for the very first time. I would like to know about you, first of all.
Yes, sure. Why not? Actually, before starting anything, I just wanna let you know that I'm so honored, which I'm just talking to you right now. So basically, my name is Pipin Singh Rajput, and I'm just connecting to you from New Delhi, India. And apart from that, I have already qualified 10 plus 2 standard from CBSE. In these days, I'm pursuing Bachelor of Arts from Delhi University. And my hobbies are talking to different people only for enhancing my communication skill and playing cricket as well. That's it.
That's great. Good to know about you. Are you pursuing master degree? Not a
No, no, I'm pursuing in first year Bachelor of Arts.
Bachelor of Arts. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, why are you learning this language? Why
Actually,
you
ma'am,
think?
okay, as you already know that there are a lot of advantages of English learning. Like in this era, if you don't seem to have an idea that how to interact and how to communicate to anyone, so it will be more challenging for you. So it doesn't mean that you should be a good speaker, but at least you should be known how to start communicate.
Communication with the people. Yeah, we have to know what opposite person asking and saying us. We have to able this kind of person. But your English is really good. You can speak
Right,
very
ma'am.
properly. How long
Yes.
have you been are you preparing for this
Okay.
language?
Sure. If I speak honestly, so I've been learning English for 6 and 7 months.
Okay. Are you learning consistency?
No, actually, ma'am, most of time I don't get free time at my home. Whenever I get free time, so I try to have conversation with different people and try to read newspaper for enhancing my speed.
Okay, that's great. Do you have any environment in your college?
Yeah, sure. By the way, I would say that I've got a lot of friends where I could try to speak in English.
Okay, that's great. Then that is
Yes.
plus point for
Earlier I
you.
used earlier I used to go to coaching, but in these days I'm not going anywhere. I'm just having practice at my home.
Okay, that's great. Are you taking any classes from online?
No, no. Yes, yes, absolutely. Actually, on YouTube there is a teacher. His name is Sartaj sir.
Okay, I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, you have to, taken online and offline both classes. Then which one is very effective according you?
According to me, offline coaching will be better and is better. Why? Because and we can have practice effectively and practically.
Okay, yeah, that is also good thing. You can
Right?
get
If you are just taking,
people.
if you are just taking,
Sorry.
if you are just taking online class, so you cannot speak a lot, right? If you are just talking to someone face to face, so you can boost your confidence level, you can get a lot of ideas and hand gesture and speaking style, you can copy their words.
Yes, yes, you can observe their body language, eye contact, everything you can observe on offline. And another part is you can get lots of people to conversation on your class, in your class, isn't it? You can get people, friends to conversation. That is also plus point. Okay. What are you learning
Absolutely, you
now?
are right, it is in
Sorry,
these days.
I did not get.
Actually, ma'am, sorry.
What are you asking?
No, no, actually I was saying that what did you ask me before? Why? Because I couldn't get you.
Your voice is not clear. Offline better or online? You told about offline better. Yeah, I'm talking about offline is better because you got lots of friends to communication on you in your class. You know, you can get environment to practice with them. That is also good and than online.
Right. Yes. So
Okay.
as you already know that every point has two aspects. First, good and bad. So I would like
Yes.
to prefer only offline coaching and tuition as well.
Okay.
Why?
Okay. Yes.
Why? Why? Because it's my personal experience and it's my personal recommendation for you that you cannot learn English at your home. Why? Because you cannot get environment. Like if you if you think that, and in these days everyone is having a smartphone and we can have practice with the help of a smartphone, right? So I think you have to spend more and more time. Like if you just want to communicate to anyone and you have to text to someone two times, three times, you have to spend your more time, right?
Yes, yes, that is true. First of all, offline and online doesn't matter too much, because if you have to set your mind first of all. First of all, I have to learn this thing. I have to speak with someone, at least two and three people. That is very necessary to practice every day. That is also consistency is matter to learn this language. Yeah, offline is definitely better than offline online, because you get environment to speak with someone. We can talk with people, you can ask some doubts to your teachers, and you can consult with your friends. That is also benefit. But online, if you have a not environment to offline classes, then online is very good nowadays. Every people taking advantage, taking classes from online, and they are getting fluency. That is also good things. We
Right.
have to find everywhere, we have to find everywhere positive things,
You are
advantage,
right.
find.
You are right, and I just wanna appreciate your thoughts from bottom of my heart. Why? Because, and I would say about offline education, like, and in this era, a lot of people, and they are not well confident whenever it comes to speaking, and they try to get repetition while speaking in English. So I would say that you can boost your confidence level if you try to take classes with the help of offline.
Yes, yes, that is also true. Yeah. Do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes, actually, once I was watching my friend's video on YouTube, and I was recommended by him that he told me that, and in these days, if you are just getting free time, so you can create your own YouTube channel, and so just because of you can say making video, and I can have practice, I can enhance my communication skill. I thought that I should also.
Yes, when you started your YouTube channel?
I think before 2 and 3 months ago.
2 and 3 months, how is going on?
It is going on well.
Okay, that's great. I was thinking about, you are just learning, you are running YouTube channel as well. Definitely you got a lots of people to communication.
Yes,
Do you
absolutely.
communicate daily? Do you upload videos daily?
Yes.
Okay. How much got you improvement after taking, a conversation with people? And definitely, I think you boost your confidence as well.
Right. Actually, literally, if I say that earlier I was not supposed to speak some words in English, so I have already got a lot of ideas by people that, and if you are gonna communicate to unknown and strange person, and what kind of question should be asked by you, right? And you can say phrasal verbs and some idioms and preposition where you have to use. Like if you will try to listen to people, so you will get a lot of ideas.
Definitely. That is very helpful for us. And do you
Yes.
have any particular person with whom you are learning, or with whom you
Yes, sure.
following now?
Uh, yes, why not? Initially, I just wanna let you know that I've got a friend and his name is Mohan, and but but the major problem is that, and he can speak approximately 7 and 8 languages at the same time. As an
Oh my,
example, Hindi. Yes, as an example, Hindi, English, Japanese, Spanish, and Punjabi as well.
wow, that's really brilliant.
Yes. So I just wanna speak like him.
Okay, that's great. How language do you know now?
Actually, I'm just able to speak approximately 2 and 3 languages. First Hindi, and as you know that it's our mother tongue language, and second English, and little bit Sanskrit, but not much.
Sanskrit.
Yes.
Okay,
When I
that's
was,
great.
as far as I can recall right now, when I was in 10th and 11th class, So I used to study about Sanskrit. But in these days, because it is not used anywhere, so I forgotten.
Okay. Okay, that's great. My husband also teacher of Sanskrit.
Literally.
Yes.
Okay. So actually, ma'am, now it's my turn, and I'm gonna ask couple of questions of you. I hope that you will reply me. Right. You let me know that for how long have you been learning English?
I have been learning this language, I think, for 8 months.
For 8 months. Okay.
Yes.
So do you think that your English is smashing than before?
Yeah, sure. I was not able to express my thought properly in front of anyone. Now I'm able to express my thought to everyone. Yeah, I can say I am seeing my visible change.
Okay. So what do you want to enhance in your communication skill? What do you want to incorporate? Like you are unable to listen to someone and you are unable to express your thoughts to anyone, and you just want to modify your speed.
Okay, basically, there are four parts. This is very important for enhanced communication. Maybe you heard about
Yes,
this four part:
yes,
listening,
listening,
speak,
listening,
and
writing,
write.
and speaking.
Yes, this four part is very necessary. Apart from this, you can say thinking is most important part. That kind of things I do regularly basis. So now I'm getting, change in my. I got progress to this language.
All right.
This language. Yes.
Okay. So tell me one thing, that what are the ways? How do you practice at your home?
Yeah, this kind of thing I do daily, and apart from I practice with people's, offline, not offline, audio call and video call. Yeah, this kind of things I usually did before that. Nowadays, I'm recording video for my session for my YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay, so tell me one thing, that why have you decided so far that I should also create on YouTube channel? And I know that you have already, but my question is here to be asked, that how many subscribers have you got so far?
Yeah, in 1 month I got 600 something subscriber. In a 1 month, I can say it is good for me. It's
All
a
right.
channel is going on good. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
if I talk about the channel, why I opened my channel, yeah, I did not think before that I should create my channel. Some people told me about you should create your own channel. So after talking many people's, I thought, okay, I should open my YouTube channel because everyone telling me. And in this, group, there are lots of too many YouTubers. So they are suggesting me, so you should open your YouTube channel. So I thought, okay, let's start. What's happened? Let's see. So somehow I started YouTube channel. Luckily it's going on good.
That's a great. I would say that, and we should not sit empty hand at my home, and something is good better than nothing, right?
Yes, yes,
So
definitely.
whatever you just wanna do, so just start doing right now.
Yes, yes. We should do. Yeah, we have to, take advantage whatever we
Absolutely.
get. Yes. Okay. Back a while the sunshine is called. There is a beautiful ADM. We should always take advantage on right time.
Sure. And by the way, what's your profession?
Nowadays, I'm a housewife. I can say I'm a home minister of my house.
Wow,
Nowadays,
that's
I do not do anything. Yes, I'm a mother of one person. I'm a housewife. I'm running house nowadays, and simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel as well. And after some time, when my baby grown up, so definitely I will try to do job as a computer teacher. I used to teach as a computer teacher before marriage, so I will try like this job again.
okay. Actually, ma'am, sorry for that. Now my mother is calling to me, and I have to go immediately. And literally, it was nice conversation with you. I hope that I'll try to join you again.
Sure, sure. It was really delightful session with you. What did you say? What's your name?
My name is Vipin.
Bipin. Okay. Okay, Bipin. We will meet again.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Okay.